Hello, today I want to help you start reading in Russian. To read in Russian, you need to learn 3 basic reading rules, and they will help you a lot. So, let's begin with the first one. Maybe you have noticed that sometimes we pronounce R instead of O, like in word хорошо, хорошо. So, you spell it is хорошо, but you pronounce it like хорошо. This happens because when letter O isn't stressed, we pronounce it like A. And when it is stressed, we pronounce it like O. Хорошо, хорошо. Кот, собака, собака. Молоко, молоко. The second rule is about letter E. So the rule is the same, but if E isn't stressed, we pronounce it like I. Like привет, привет. Как дела? Как дела? У меня метро, метро. And the third rule is about the letter yo. If you see letter yo in the sentence, it is always stress on it. It is always stressed. Like in words ёлка, ёлка, еще, еще. Let's try to read using these 3 basic rules. I will show you text and read it for you, and then you can try to read it yourself without sound and check yourself by going at the beginning and hearing how I read it.
Это наша улица, а это мой дом. Мой дом большой. Здесь моя комната. Моя комната небольшая, но светлая. Тут письменный стол, мягкие стулья, удобный диван, большой шкаф. Вот деревянная полка. Тут мои книги, тетради, альбомы, карандаши и ручки. Вот большое окно. Здесь красивая ваза и белая роза. А тут тумбочка. Там мое фото. Это моя семья. Папа, мама, сестра, дедушка и бабушка.
And now let's make a small summary of our 3 reading rules. The first rule is letter O is pronounced like O when it is stressed, and you pronounce it like A when it's not stressed. Ye is pronounced like Ye when it's stressed, and like I when it's not stressed. And yo is always stressed. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you have any questions about reading in Russian, you can ask me in the comments. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.